You're on.
Seth Ledford from Cherokee, North Carolina. I'm riding with the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians.
You're on.
All right. My name's Sky Wildcat. I am 22 years old. I'm from Tahlequah, Oklahoma, Cherokee Nation. And so far this experience has been probably one of the best things that I've done with my life. We've really bonded together. We've learned how to act as a team to get where we're going. And I think that because we encourage each other that we actually make it to where we need to be. So I think that's the biggest part to remember, is that we did it together and they did it together.
Stevens from Cherokee, North Carolina. It's been a great experience so far. I think our team's bonding really well. We're learning so much, and overall it's just been a memorable trip.
My name is Parker Weevil and I'm from Tahlequah, Oklahoma.
Thank you.
Yep.
So far.
It's definitely changed me. Before the ride I was very introverted. I really didn't like to do much. I wasn't very open with new people. I was very shy, very timid. And now, I mean, I've known Eastern Band for a week tops, not even 2 weeks, and you know they're just like family to me. It's really cool to be miles and miles apart, but when you finally meet each other, it's like you've never missed a beat. It just seems like you just picked up right where you left off, even though you never left off anywhere.
You're on.
Alright, my name's Amari McCoy. Let's see, I guess I could start out with why I wanted to do the ride.
Okay.
I had seen the program, been around it, because the trainer is actually my cousin, Sarah Holcomb.
Oh, great.
So, yeah, so I'd seen her be involved with it for a few years, and she'd always, kind of mention it here and there, but she wanted me to come to a conclusion myself to want to do it.
Right.
And it was going through a time where I didn't know what I wanted to do, where I wanted to go. So I thought, what better way to get back into who I am than by coming back to North Carolina, where our people came from, get immersed in our culture, our language, our people, and just along the trail picking up different parts of our people and what they went through, and then to learn the perseverance and just dedication and grit it took to get back to it, or to get to Oklahoma, which I guess is the reason it's my home.
Right.
So it's crazy to think about that. Like, they went through that, and just a portion of what we're going through now is nothing compared to what they did at all.
So this is a really intense trip. You guys are riding 20, 50 miles, 60 miles a day on your bikes. It's hot weather. It's intense. Do you think that connects you to your ancestors, to people who came before you here?
It does, because we're out here struggling, and you're on the bike and it only says maybe 85 degrees and the heat's beating down on you, but it's coming back off the pavement and you're just sweating, you're dying, you have to stay hydrated. And then we were thinking about why we're doing this. So we have to remind ourselves of that all the time when we're struggling. Remember why you're doing it. And back on the trail, they went during the winter, the freezing cold temperatures, and all they had was clothes on their back and whatever they could carry. And we have teams of people, support staff, following us around this entire trip, and we stay in hotels. So we have it much better off than they ever do.